Good evening, everyone. Welcome today. Not so good news because the paper boy has not delivered our newspaper. And what I've done is I've downloaded the puzzles of additional in on the at the newspaper website. And yeah, today is actually Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. But yesterday we have no newspaper, so I've downloaded the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. Well, in this additional we have 7 extra puzzles. 3 of them I won't do that. 4 out of 7 I will solve. That will be the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary. 3 of them I will leave those 3 for the next time. Will be the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, and the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. Yeah, alright. But let me do the first one. The 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number, I believe, number. Let me check. 7995. Yeah, 7995. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 30 printed digits. That's a lot. Not the 3 stars, but the 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 40 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes, we will see. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I see here 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in the second row, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Oh, no. 1 and a 7, and the 1 goes there. I made a mistake. So the 2 should be in the... Come on. Yeah, the 2 should be here. Yeah, the 2. 1 and a 7. Oh, I almost made a mistake. So this should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Okay. And now, here, same for here. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Look, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be there. So the 2 and 8 are left. 2 and 8. Okay. And now, let me see. 2 and 7. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. I hate to split those numbers outside a big square. So what are these 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Can I do this the same for the last column? 2 and 8, no. 4, I need a 4 here. No. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 9. How about 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the number? Need a 2 here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 and 8. So the 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. How about need 8 here. Need a 6 there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. And now, I need a 3 in this middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 3. Well, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. Only places left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column, middle column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, and 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next to the last column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2. The numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be, and 8 goes there. So we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, and the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster, 14 and 30 minutes, definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.